Almost ready, and at this point she's running late, but I had to show you this. I think I'm gonna wear this wig that I had for a very long time that I really forgot about. So I really took it out of the bag. I was like, what is this? And it looked a mess, and I'm gonna show you. So I already started to work on her. This is the combed out side. This is the not combed out side. Let me put her on so you can see. Now, this is a real back in the day wig when the lace was tough. Oh Lord, and it itch. But do you see this side? Yeah, it's giving tousled. It's giving full, thick hair. This is giving rat's nest. We can't do it. You just take a brush and you get to work. So I'm starting off with my comb, and then I'm going to do the brush because the comb gets it done faster, and obviously it's combing through all the knot and curl. But I think, and honestly, I'm not even sure. Well, I mean, at this point when I'm running late, I'm either going to wear this or the human hair one that I always have, because if this need cut and shape up and all of them something there, I'm not sure I have the time. This is synthetic, by the way. If you didn't know, I couldn't tell. Jeez, honestly, it's better when I could comb this up on my mannequin. But the time, it's working against me bad, man. I'm gonna show you the finished result when I get there. Gotta focus. I did want to go in and, like, this is too long right here. Oh God. I can't. You know, some enough time for all of them shape up and something here, so it can't go. I can't. This is what it's gonna have to be, because the time. Same way. Gotta deal with this in the car. Bye, y'all.